Hi guys, so my console just arrived. I saw this on Amazon, so it fits exactly on this spot because this is where I want to put my console table. So I'm just going to unbox it and put it all together. I hope I'm able to do it and it doesn't require any hard equipment because I only have a screwdriver. But yeah, let's do it. So this is the only tool I have. Hopefully this works and I don't need any extra thing. But yeah, let me start by opening the box and then we'll see what we have. I hope it really fits. I really do hope it fits. Meanwhile, I'm watching Squid Game. So I'm just setting it up here. I had to fast forward this video because this took a lot. This was me pretending to read the manual. I don't like to read manuals. I just like to figure it out myself. It wasn't so hard actually because everything was already labeled, and if you follow the instructions, really it's not that hard. So you can see I just put it all together. I'm just going to pop it on the wall. That's it. So guys, I am actually done and this is what it looks like. Like it was a perfect fit for the space. Like I'm so happy and this is exactly what I wanted. So I can just, I'll put my painting here and then I'll have some decor on it. This is perfect. It's exactly what I wanted. What do you guys think? Installing that last one was so stressful because I don't like reading manuals first of all, but I learned the hard way. But yeah, this is it. And I'm so happy about it. What do you guys think? I think it's a perfect fit for that space. Well, let me know what you guys think. I'm going to put the Amazon link down below, so if it's something that you're interested in, you can always buy it. Bye!